Tapos, ano mga gusto ng tata? Oo. Shoes. Tapos, anong gagawin natin ngayon? Aren't we going to sleep? Huh? We're not going to sleep yet? What do you like? Oh. Mm. Sleep na tayo ba? Wala, what's this? Wala, tutubok ka na. Ano? Bakit ganun ang sleep mo? Ah. Mm. Bakit ang sleep natin is parang chicken? So easy to wake up. Mm-mm. Bakit man? Mm-mm. Mm. And then, what's next? Bebe. Tut naman. And then, hoy, tata. Talk to mama. Shh. Don't look at that. Talk to mama. Hoy, bebe. Ano naman? You're not going to sleep yet? Huh? Late na naman kita may sleep. Late na naman ma-wake up. Mm-mm. What time are you going to sleep now again? Huh? What time again si baby may sleep? Bebe. 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 Look at mama. Talk to mama. What time are we going to sleep tonight? Huh? What time are you going to sleep? Look at mama. Look at mama. Don't look there. Mm-mm. Mm. You say hello to Papa. Papa, how are you? Baby here. Saying what to say, Papa. What will you say to Papa? And then, mm-mm. Mm-mm. Tapos, come, face mama. You face mama. Talk to mama. Bebe, you talk to mama. Ano? Okay. Tomorrow we will wake up late na naman. Late naman ni baby mag-wake up tomorrow. Bebe? 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 What time are you going to wake up na naman tomorrow? Late na naman. Puchu. Puchu. Face mama. Come here. You face mama. Talk to mama. You talk to mama. Bebe? Talk to mama. Uy. Kalbo. Kalbo. Ano? Ano si kalbo? Ang kalbo. Ew. Don't look up there. You talk to mama. And then, uy. Baby. Shh. Baby. What is it? Ano na? Tapos? Ano man? Ano man yun? Ano man yun, ha? Ano man yun? Oo.